Make sure that your stroke and fill are set to the default colors. You can press D on the keyboard, come up and choose the rectangle, go down to the Polygon tool. We're going to click and drag. By default, it will give you a 5-sided pentagon. Drag a pentagon. Let's move it out of the way a bit. Now I'm going to make a 4-sided polygon. As I'm dragging, I press the down arrow and I can hold the space bar. I'm going to move it underneath. I'm going to draw another one. This time I'm going to press the down arrow again and I'm going to hold the space bar to move it underneath. I'm going to drag and draw again. This time I use the up arrow. I can make more sides. Here's an octagon. Now with these different shapes, I can come up here and I can use the selection tool. I can move these around. With the selection tool, I can also hover around the edge and I can rotate. So if I want to rotate, I can do that. I can click on the direct selection tool, which lets me click on a point, and I can move a point in here to make it look how I want, or so I can modify the shape. After you have created these 4 shapes, experiment modifying using the direct selection tool by clicking on the anchor point and dragging. You can also click on a path and it will drag the anchor points attached to that path. Take a moment and explore using the Polygon tool.